saw a little red egg. It was a little bit hot and it glowed. Dom hid the little egg under his bed. So, this story is my age. I don't know what will happen next. The next day, the egg hatched. Like this, na? Like all dinosaurs hatch from the eggs, and dragons also. Dragons' eggs are like they run away, but they are not scared. They are curious. The next day, the egg hatched. A little red dragon hatched out. It was bit hot and she glowed. I will call you Glow, said Dom. We also call name na. We call names. You must hide under bed, said Dom, or I will have to tell the king about you. That night Dom's bed was nice and warm. So the dragon sleep in bed. Neither mom sees. Mom sees, she be scared and shoo the dragon out. But Glow was growing bigger and bigger, like we are going bigger. But Glow was growing bigger and bigger. Too big, too much, that side. You must hide in the bathroom, said Dom, or I will have to tell the king about you. Like we also hide in cupboard na. The next day there was very hot water. Like I also go in bathtub and get hot water. The next day there was very hot water in the bathroom. The towels were very nice and warm too. Look, our towels broken. Look, here also. Look. Look, the dragon is doing like this. Because he's here, na? Because he is getting hot water. But Glow was growing bigger and bigger. You must hide in the kitchen, said Dom, or I will have to tell the king about you. The next day there was nice hot food in the kitchen. We also get hot food on nice warm plates. Look, the baby can't eat so much. She's throwing the food. It's bad. But small kids do that. Glow, you are getting too big. We also get 5, 6, 7, 8, 15, like this number. Big and too what, said Dom. We will have to tell Mum. You have a dragon, said Mum. We will have to tell the king about her. Look, the baby is holding a toy lion. Look, and Dom's wearing a t-shirt and jacket. Look, the snow is here. We can play now. I come. You have a dragon, said the king. Look, the king has funny shoes. And the soldiers are getting scared. You have a dragon, said the king. What will we do with her? She has made everything nice and warm, said Dom. We also, in Fast and Furious also, Dom name comes na. The king made pipes. Look, we also get na pipes. We will also make a pipe. This is the hot water pipe and the cold water pipe. The king made a big house for Glow in the very big pipes, very big slide na, like slide we go down na, very big pipes, too much big. Dom took Glow to the house. Look, everyone are happy. Yay! Glow will stay here forever. Glow made everything hot. The hot country now no snow is coming from the sky like our city is hot country na. Glow made everything hot. The pipes took hot water to every. Look, 100 pipes here. Look, the baby is so happy. Yeah, hot water. Like me, I also get hot water. Hot pipes took hot water every house. In the town, everyone towels too. Thank you.